It's not one thing about the steps, the pure movement, but I think it's getting to this vision in a different way. They're going to help you to find different sensation every time you move. And the pure is serving on that feeling, on that energy. And not to try to do it the sequence. I'm just thinking about the sequence. It's a big different point of view every time you want to move. It's a meaning every time you move, and not just the sequence himself. And transmit this to your partner, I think it's a big difference. For part of the follower, most of the time, we need to find this with the other person too. It's like if I wanna share this with her, she don't feel the sensation. Because most of the time, this kind of thing doesn't work too. If she's trying to do the step and we don't flow with that energy, most of the time it's not working.
It depends on both of us. And sometimes, if I'm feeling something, I can insinuate it too through the movement. As far as the energy is concerned, I can take exactly the same lead and make it with little more of any of these qualities that we were describing. Yeah, and it starts to create something where I'm participating as well in the, how the dance is going to go. Yeah? So it's our interpretation together. It's something that we end up creating together.
Yeah? Thank you, everybody. We have a special event in February. We say all the time that if somebody want to join us in February between
So February 13th to 17th, we're going to have our intensive seminar. It's 20 hours.
In Buenos Aires?
Yes, 4 hours a day for 5 days, working on body awareness and connection, quality of movement, similar to today, but in different ways, of course, and with some musicality and floorcraft as well.
And I open our website to people who want to rent apartments in Buenos Aires, when you go to the dance in Buenos Aires. If you need an apartment, you can ask me. I forget my flyers. I'm so good in business. But I want to leave some to Tatiana and to the guys to show.
You can email us if you need
Yes, if you need something
Buenos Aires and you need